Hello everyone, today we will learn how to install TuxPaint in your laptop. TuxPaint, a free graphic software, it is very popular among children and it has many attractive tools which makes the drawing very easy. For downloading TuxPaint, we will click on Google Chrome and just type TuxPaint. The first link, that is www.tuxpaint.org. We will open this link. Here, this is the official website from where we can download TuxPaint. On the left side, you can see the option Download TuxPaint. Click here. One ad is coming, you can just click on close. See here, now you are getting the options for which operating system you want to download TuxPaint. It is showing Windows option, Windows 10, 8, 7, then Windows 2000 and XP, then Apple, Linux, Android, whichever operating system you are using. Accordingly, you will click on the link. I am downloading for Windows 10, 8, 7 or Vista. So we'll click on this particular link. Now here again two options are there, 64-bit and 32-bit. I am clicking on 64-bit. You can see your download will start shortly. The TuxPaint is getting downloaded. You can see at the bottom left corner. Few seconds left and it is downloaded. Click on this arrow, show in the folder. TuxPaint will be downloaded in the download folder of your laptop. Here is the TuxPaint file. Right now the TuxPaint is downloaded from Google, but we need to install it on our laptops to start working. Double click. We'll select the language English. It will run the setup. Here we'll have to accept. I accept the agreement. Next. Again click on next. 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 Create it is asking whether you want a desktop icon or not. We'll just leave it ticked so that the TuxPaint icon will come on our desktop. Again click on next and then click on install. You can see the TuxPaint is getting installed. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to install. Installation is complete, so you can click on finish. We'll just check on the desktop. See, on the desktop here, the TuxPaint icon is there. We will double click on TuxPaint icon. This is the TuxPaint screen. TuxPaint has paintbrush, stamps, lines, shapes. All these tools are there for drawing. Special tool, that is the magic tool. Using magic tool, we can use different tools. These are all the magic tools which can be used for making the drawing. So children, let's start. Show your creativity with all these variety of tools on this blank canvas. All the best.